Dumplings are one of China's traditional culinary delights, with a rich history and cultural significance. Here is a more detailed explanation about dumplings, historical and cultural background. Dumplings can be traced back to the Han Dynasty in China, 206 BC, 220 AD, although there are different claims from various regions. They are often associated with the Lunar New Year because of their resemblance to ancient Chinese currency, yuanbao, symbolizing wealth and good fortune. It is believed that eating dumplings on New Year's Eve can drive away misfortune and usher in good luck. The dumpling making process. The process of making dumplings involves the following steps. Dough preparation. Dough is typically made from flour and water and rolled into thin, round wrappers. The thickness and texture of the wrappers may vary by region. Filling preparation. Fillings can be a combination of ingredients, including meats, pork, beef, chicken, seafood, shrimp, eel, fish, vegetables, cabbage, chives, mushrooms, tofu, and more. The fillings are usually seasoned with spices to enhance the flavor. Wrapping dumplings. The filling is placed in the center of the dough wrapper, which is then folded and sealed by pinching the edges to form a crescent shape or other designs. Cooking methods. Dumplings can be boiled, steamed, pan-fried, or boiled and then pan-fried, pot stickers, with the specific cooking method depending on personal preference and regional traditions. Eating dumplings. Dumplings are typically served with various dipping sauces, including black vinegar, soy sauce, chili oil, mustard, and garlic sauce. These sauces provide different flavors and textures. Regional variations. Different regions in China have their own dumpling traditions. For example, dumplings in the north tend to be larger with more dough, as the colder climate requires more energy. In the south, dumplings are typically smaller and more delicate, with a higher filling-to-dough ratio. Festivals and customs. Dumplings are particularly popular during the Lunar New Year, when families come together to make and enjoy them, symbolizing reunion and good luck. New Year's Eve is often referred to as the reunion night, and eating dumplings is one of the traditional activities. In summary, dumplings are not just a delicious dish, but also carry deep cultural and traditional significance, making them an important part of the Chinese dining experience.